My name is Jose Martinez. Been a mechanic for 40 years. We are working on a 975 HL. We are doing a pin and bearing oscillating replacement. First of all, make sure that you are chocked and you proceed to level your machine. To be safe side, you can either put a vacuum or drain your hydraulic tank, mark all your hoses, and if you're working with someone else next to you, always talk to him to make sure that you're on the same pace. Nobody gets hurt. Once you remove all your hydraulic hoses being marked, cap them off because you're working on very dusty environment for the hydraulic system. You proceed by putting either a heavier machine in the back so it supports the rear weight of it so you can balance it back and forth. Then you put a jack under it and then proceed to remove your drive shaft, release your parking brake, and press out the 2 pins. Then you proceed to remove the machine apart. We're removing the bottom and top because the bottom has a lot of play. So we got to determine if the pin or the bearing has too much play or it needs to be line bored to a specific size so the bearing is pressed in it. Maybe because it didn't have enough grease or lack of grease, or just because of the engine hour or the machine hours of wear and tear of the machine, and that's why we're removing the bearings now, so we can do that job.